An art cannot be replaced by a simple prompt. Does this sentence even hold any relevance? Do you think it is true? Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Ayush Coinverse. In this episode, we are going to talk about the most trending topic right now, and that is Ghibli art. See, the topic is not about Ghibli art, but the topic is how Ghibli art is getting generated nowadays. You know, Ghibli art nowadays are getting generated from AI, which has sparked some controversies. See, there is a section of people who assume that art should be in its purest form, while others believe that life is all about adaptability. So, in this episode, we are going to see what is Ghibli art, how you can generate Ghibli art, and who actually generated or created this. I don't know why I get this much into the flow and then say something which is not necessary, but nevertheless, see, in this video we are basically trying to give my opinion. Yes, that's what we do in every video. So in this video I am going to give my opinion, but this video is going to be special. Not only my opinion, but I am also going to share you the reviews, or I am basically going to conclude all the reviews I got from my friends, social media influencer, and from my family. So without wasting any time, let's get started into the video. So here are some Ghibli art styles. Basically, I took a photo of mine, then uploaded it on Grok. And if you really don't know what is Grok, go and watch my previous video. It is very useful AI. See, but in crux, it is similar to ChatGPT but has a humor of itself. So these are some of the pics. I converted it into Ghibli art. See, for example, this is the picture of mine, and the actual picture is something like this. So when you see these images are very eye-catching. You can also use them for your brands and other things. But for now, these are the only examples. Now let's know how we can create our own Ghibli image. Before generating our own AI Ghibli art style, we shall know who was the father of this brilliant art style. So as you can see, Hayao Miyazaki first invented this art, and his initial stance in this case is that it is an insult to life itself. Yeah, that's what he said about AI. So, how many of you agree with this comment? Please mention me in the comment section. So now, as we know about him, about his stance, now let's get started and create our own AI generated Ghibli art style. So here we are in Grok, and as you can see, I have written the prompt here, convert it into Ghibli art style. You just have to upload your picture and then you can see the result. See, for example, this is done. See, I was not able to do this at Grok 3 because my credits ran over. That was the reason. But without wasting time, let's come to all the reviews, how the people I know reacted to it. I have logged in into my Instagram account, and here are 5 comments I received right now. So let's study them out. What is your opinion? I asked him simply. So he replied, overhyped, and we don't respect the one who invented it back in 2016. Well, yes, it is kind of overhyped because when I eventually came to know about Ghibli art, it was 7 to 8 days before, when it was not trending that much. But now it has become the biggest trend. I think so. Right now it is the biggest trend. So yeah, kind of overhyped. And we don't respect the one who invented it back in 2016. See, personally I don't think so. After AI has generated Ghibli art, I think people are knowing more about him, and that's my personal stance on it. So I don't think so that this comment is right or appropriate, but I appreciate that he was totally fine with me posting it on YouTube. So let's move forward to the next comment. See, this comment was not very appropriate or something to show. So basically he said it was really very cringe. So let's move to the next comment because I don't think so that this comment is going to add any additional value to the subject or topic right now. So again I asked someone, what is your opinion? And here he replied, see, it is very interesting. It is very nice, and life is all about adaptability. I have to applaud him because, yes, he is right. Life is all about adaptability. If you're not going to adapt around your situation, surrounding, then eventually you will die, whether it is your art, passion, or anything else. So I totally agree with it, and this was the most appropriate answer I found right now, and I don't think so I would like to add anything. I totally agree with this comment. But this comment was also very interesting. See, he said, I am against it to be honest. See, and he's totally being honest. I have checked his Instagram ID. He did not even posted a single Ghibli art of himself. The original creator spent decades creating Ghibli art, but now AI is doing it in seconds. I don't like that. Well, that's true. If someone is working so hard and creating such a wonderful art, and then ChatGPT or Grok are just doing it within seconds, that does not make any sense. So I have to agree with you. But again, I have to say life is all about adaptability. That's what the previous comment stated. And now let's move towards one of my favorite friends, best friend. Yeah. So he was the first one to reply who replied me. So his opinion was that he thinks that the trend is very nice and also the art is very beautiful. So he beautifully answered the question. He was very neutral. While he said that the trend was very nice, on the other hand, he said he appreciated the art. So I don't think so he is taking sides here, but he loved the art. So I think so that he's okay with AI generating it. And I would like to mention he is really very important in my life and one of my best friend. I would like to say that. See, it's just like that. So we are done with all of our comments and reviews. So let's move on to the next topic. What drive me to make this video? As I have mentioned earlier, that the girl who posted the story first got me very influenced that how this art could also have two sides. One saying that it is wrong to generate images just in seconds because it is destroying someone's hard work, it is destroying someone's emotion, passion. And I firmly believe that games, sports, several other things, for example cooking, art, is all about passion and we can never question it. So yes, that's all for today's video, and my stance is clear. I believe life is all about adaptability. So that was my stance on Ghibli art generated by AI, but your stance may differ. So go in the comment section and comment what you think. Top 5 comments will be pinned, and top 5 comments may also get a special shout out in the next video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We have solved 8 queries till date. Until then, take care and see you soon, guys.